Okay, I decided to solve more questions with chain because it seems like the last video I made on chain, I didn't solve much. So let's solve more questions with chain rule. Well, using the short method I explained here. So if that's in the previous video, go and check out the short method. We'll just get them there anyways. Let's say we have the first term that y equals to 3x plus 1 is power 3. Now, I explained that this is called a composite function or function with function because we're having a function in another function. Let's imagine we're having this dx plus 1 in the entire function, which is having the braces respectively. That's outer function. Or the 3x plus 1 is the inner function. Okay, let's solve the traditional first. We solve normal chain rule. So we represent the inner function with a variable, right? We represent a variable. We say let g equals the inner function, which is what? 3x plus 1. Then we differentiate the inner function with respect to x, and this will give me a. The reason is there will give all right. And coming back to the main function, as the inner function, we have y equals to everything here. And everything here is what is represented as what? As u. So y will be equals to u raised power what? Raised power 3. Okay. So let's differentiate this. We differentiate y now in respect to what? With respect to because we always differentiate independent variable in respect to an independent variable. So what will this give me? This will give me 3 u raised power 3 minus 1, 2 to the raised power 2. We have to find the y dx. So we call that Cheryl says that the y dx is equal to the y du times du dx, right? So if we simplify the y dx equals, what is the y du? The y du is 3 u squared times what is du dx? Du dx is 3. So multiplying this 3 times 3 will give me 27 u raised power 2. And what is our g? Our g was given as 3x plus 1. So our final answer will be 27 into brackets 3x plus 1 all raised power 2. Now using the short method, let's try the short method over here. And need a color for that. So using the short method, what do you do? We say that the inner function is pp, outer function is the mother. What do you do? You differentiate the pp as the inner function. Then differentiate the outer function, which is the mother. So if you differentiate the inner function, what do you get? You get 3, right? You get 3. If you differentiate the inner function, you get 3. And the outer function, just imagine that everything here is a simple letter. So how do you differentiate this? This will multiply the entire expression, right? So we're going to have 3 times everything here, which is 3x plus 1. Always power that you remove 1 from 3 and raised power 2. So multiplying this, we have 27 3x plus 1 all raised power 2. You can see that we got the answer in just 2 steps. Even the next question. That is again that b, we said that y is equal to e raised power 5x squared plus 7x minus 8. Again, we are having this function of a function. So this is a function, this is an algebraic function, this is an exponential function. Okay, so we're having an algebraic function and exponential function. What do we do? I don't want to solve this long method anymore. I think you get the idea of how to solve the represent in that function. It could be variable, to differentiate and do all that stuff. Let's solve this using just 3 steps. So we say that the y dx is equal to, first to differentiate the inner function. So the inner function here is 5x squared plus 7x minus 8. If you differentiate that, what do you get? You get 10x plus 7x will give me 7. Then becomes 0. So I differentiated the what now? The inner function. Now the outer function. When you differentiate e raised power something, don't forget. Let me bring this over here. Don't forget that if y is equals to e raised power x, then the y dx is also e raised power x. If it's e raised power something, will give me e raised power that. So differentiating e raised power this will give me e raised power that, which is That's just a very simple way to remember. So 5x squared plus 7x minus 8. Okay, looking at the next question. Next question. We're told that y is equal to ln 4 plus cos x. Again, this is a function inside this function. So how do you differentiate this? Let's differentiate the inner function. Okay, differentiating everything inside here. If you differentiate 4 to give you 0, so let's forget about this one. Let's leave 0. Differentiate cos x. So the y dx. Again, don't forget if y is sin x, then y dx is cos x. And if y is cos x, then y dx is what? Minus sine x. So differentiating cos x now as the inner function, this one giving 0. Differentiating cos x that you need here. What's against it? Minus sine x. So here the inner function, right? Let's now differentiate the outer function. The other function here is the something in this. Again, don't forget that. You can call up for that. If y is equals to the x, then the y dx is 1 over x. Now, if you look at this now, so I'll also differentiate will be in this, right? So imagine now that everything here is x. So after giving 1 over x, that will be 1 over everything here, which is what? 4 plus cos x. So y dx will equals to multiply minus sine x times 1, give me minus sine x over 4 plus cos x. Okay, the last question, which is G. We know that y is equals to sec 1 minus 5x. Again, how do we solve this? This is we're having this function inside this function, having this inside this function. So what do we do as usual? We differentiate the inner function first. And the reason inner function, this will give me 0. The reason minus 5x will give me minus 5. Okay? What do we do next? We differentiate the outer function, which is our sec. Now recall that if y is sec x, then the y dx is sec x and x. Alright. So differentiating sec this will give me sec this and this. I will make sure you understand that. So if I just imagine that this everything here is x now. We should differentiate sec x, all we need to be sec x and x. To differentiate sec everything here will give me sec this, which is what? 1 minus 5x, and this, which is what? 1 minus 5x. So our answer here is minus 5 sec 1 minus 5x and 1 minus 5x. But I'd love you to try this and send your answer on the comment section.